If you want a no-frills, easy mounting solution, look no further than Beartech Slidemount. Inside the package include the device side of the slide mount, the mount cover for the pins, and the windshield side of the slide mount. We have a long Type-C cable and a short Type-C cable. Here we have two sizes of set screw. Normally you only need to use the small one, but we prepared both for your convenience. Our windshield mount comes with VHB and adhesion promoter pre-applied, but if you ever want to move your slide mount, we have a VHB pack and an adhesion promoter pack included. Here's a quick installation guide. Let's first inspect if the pre-applied set screw sits flush on the mating side. If not, just unscrew it a bit so the mating surface is flush. Now we can slide the device slide mount onto your device. Once that is done, let's tighten the set screw. Don't over tighten the set screw because you will break the holding bracket. You want it to be finger tight, like what I have done here, and give it a quarter turn to set it really tight. Now we check if the device slide mount is securely attached to your device. Just lightly push on the mount. It should hold without any movement. Next step is to install the short Type-C cable onto your device slide mount and loop it around your device. Then plug it into your device's Type-C port. Check and see if the cable is fully plugged in. The cable loops around your device to ensure no blocking on the wide cam. To install the windshield slide mount, let's plug in the long Type-C cable first and peel off the VHB release liner. Find the center line of your car and stick it at least half an inch down and make sure it is level correctly so your device points straight ahead. Then plug the other side of the long Type-C cable into your harness box. You should let the VHB cure for at least 24 hours in warm temperatures. You can check out our complete guide in the description for more details. And finally, attach your device with the slide mount installed. You are all set.